All right, this is it. Blade HQ exclusive Spyderco Copper Paramilitary 2. My first paramilitary, my first time ordering from Blade HQ. My second Spyderco. I had a Sage 2 at one point. I lost it. Ugh, I don't know. Ordered this Tuesday, and I think they were sold out within 28 minutes. I was lucky enough to be one of the first. I sat there with my computer and my phone and kept refreshing, and it didn't work out good. We're gonna be opening this sucker up with a ProTech Drop Ferrum Mordax, one of my favorite knives, that button lock flipper. Anyway, let's get right into this. So, see, I don't know how to open a box. You make fun of me. Let's check this baby out. Oh yeah, really don't know how to open a box. Here we go. Let's see, are we in the... Getting there? Not quite. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna do this the old-fashioned way. Ooh, some packing peanuts. Money shot. Okay. Alright, nothing left in the box. Just a bunch of nuts. Get all this stuff out the way. Alright, and here we have the Spyderco Paramilitary 2 Blade HQ exclusive copper scales. If I'm lucky enough, there's going to be a coin included in this. Everybody I've seen so far has received a coin, but we'll find out. No. Yes. Looks good. Here's the blade. Looks stunning. We'll come back to that, see what's in the box here. Some Spyderco. So yes! A coin! How amazing! I don't know if everybody got one. They said they'll be throwing it in here and there, but it says Knife Life. Oh my god. Alright. I have to check it out. And then as far as whatever else is in the box, you know, pretty standard Spyderco packaging, I believe. Nice tick logo. Looks like a tick. Alright, put that away. Alright, let's check this coin out. I'm gonna touch all this stuff, so I don't care. If it starts patinaing, that's what it's for. But oh my god, check that out. There it is. Beautiful sheen. High polish. Flat surfaces. It's got some weight to it. Wow, let's see if I can get a better shot on that. It says 2020 Knife Life. On the back we have Blade HQ exclusive copper. It says just one more. That's awesome. Yep. So that's that. Thank you, Blade HQ. Appreciate you, and thank you for the fast shipping. It's only took 2 days. Ordered it Tuesday. What is today? Thursday? Friday? Something like that. And I did the 2-day shipping, and it paid off. So nice packaging. Looks like they have this in the Ziploc with that to suck up the moisture. I'm sure they're trying to prevent it from patinaing. Wow. It is heavy. But you know what? Initially, it's not more than I thought. All right, let's just pull it out. What are we messing around for? We'll get to it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, but it's not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. Man, okay, I gotta do the smell test. No, you know what? It's pretty odorless. I thought it might smell like pennies, but maybe that'll come later. It's pretty odorless. Oh, it's got a stonewash finish. Rex 45 blade. I haven't had a Spyderco in a minute. Let me... I butchered it. Yep, nice lockup though. Sorry guys. I need to practice that. Plunge lock. Ooh, that's cool. Kind of like that. It's kind of like the Mordax. With the Mordax, I enjoy actuating the blade with the button lock more than the flipper. But it looks like you can kind of do that with this. Locks right up. There is the one liner on the side with liner delete. It's something Blade HQ is doing, or I guess Spyderco is doing with Blade HQ exclusive. I don't think if you get the Flytanium you can get the liner delete, but I don't know. But that's it. The lockup on it is, it looks to be about 45%. Let's check out this blade centering. I don't know if you can see, but that looks right on the money. It's perfectly centered. It looks beautiful. It comes in this tip down orientation, which we're going to change around. But yeah, it really doesn't feel too heavy. I mean, she's a chomp, but I thought it was going to be worse. Let's try it out in my pocket. I know you can't see this right now, but oh yeah, you don't even feel it in the pocket. I get used to that within 5 minutes. Cool. Fail number 3. Oh god, I'm so sorry you guys. I haven't had a Spyderco in a minute. I didn't really do much with my Sage 2. I think this thing's gonna break in really nice. Let's try Spider Drop. Works out good. And let's see, it's got a little marking right there. I don't know what that is. We have Golden, Colorado, USA, Earth, Spyderco CPM Rex 45, a steel I have no experience with. Ooh, that is a really sharp tip. Beautiful grind, really consistent. I hate to say it, but it's actually way more consistent than my Mordax. Probably can't see it on camera, but the Mordax isn't perfect grind. It's not bad, but it's not perfect. Wow, this is really beautiful, guys. I hope you were able to get one. If you weren't, I'm sorry, but I guess there's other ways of getting copper scales. This is really interesting. I love it way more than I thought I would. All right, let's do the fun shave test. I'm a hairy guy, so this will be you guys see that? Sorry to gross anybody out. I don't know I'm hairy, but wowzas. Well guys, that's it. That's the unboxing of this beautiful Blade HQ exclusive Spyderco Copper Paramilitary 2, my first paramilitary Spyderco, and I really like it. There we go, two-handed cheater. I gotta practice that, but man, you guys, this action is insanely smooth. I know I'm not doing it a lot of justice here. This knife is new for me. Oh man, that lockup. Oh my god, I'm in love. I'm in love. So that's it. Thanks for checking it out. There's the knife and the coin and more to come. Thanks.